Here we have an insulin problem that we have to solve. The patient will administer 20 units of insulin by subcutaneous injection, BD. Translation of BD, straight away needed. BD meaning 2 times a day. Let's read on. How many days will 3, so this is actually 3 lots of 2 ml, 100 units per ml pen injectors last? So first thing maybe we should do is worry about the patient and see how much the patient actually needs per day, if he or she needs to take 20 units twice a day. So we are just going to multiply those two together, so 20 times 2, 40 units per day. So we don't even need to worry about the 20 units or the 2 times a day anymore, because we know this is what the patient will need. Now let's see what we have available. We have 3 lots of 2 ml, so let's combine this straight away. 3 2s are 6, so we have 6 ml pen injectors. And in these, so I'll remove that as well. The important thing is to remember 6 ml, and the concentration of the drug in those pens is actually 100 units per ml. So these are the elements about what we have available. That's about the drug. So I can see one ratio here, 100 units per 1 single ml, but we have 6 ml. So we actually need 6 times more the number of units. If you use the box, so you don't need to use the box, you can just multiply the 100 by 6, because for 1 ml it's 100 units. For 6 ml it will be 6 times more. But we can do the box as well. How do we do the box? Enter the 2 bits of information, 100 units in 1 ml, and then enter that 6 ml on the bottom to match with the mils. So as I was saying, if the 1 increases to 6, it's because we multiplied by something, and the same will have to happen with the 100. We're going to multiply by 6. So what answer do we get here? We're going to get 600 units, but we can do the full box calculation. 100 times 6 divided by 1, 600. So what is this 600? 600 units is what is available, and I'll carry on using that same color. This is available, so all the information we had here now is not needed anymore. All we need is what's available, 600 units, and what the patient, the rate at which the patient is going to need to use those units. So you can do another box here. Look for the double piece of information. It's the 40 units per invisible 1 day, and place the 600 units next to the 40. So you see what happens there, mental calculation, how many 40s we multiply, or we multiply 40 by to get the 600. Think about that. If we cannot do that calc in our heads, we just multiply the diagonal, so 1 times 600, and divide by that third number, the 40. So once you do that full calculation, 600 by 40, you could even simplify, and it would be easier to look at it this way. 60 divided by 40, well, 60 divided by 2 would be 30, divide by 2 again, 15. 15 what? 15 days. So this pen injector will last 15 days, and the patient will be taking 20 units of insulin twice a day in those days. You can even do the check doing the calculation backwards.